Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to humanize AI content. First thing first, open your browser and visit notegpt.io/AI humanizer. Scroll down until you see a large text box. Paste the AI generated content from ChatGPT, Bard, or etc. into the input box. After pasting the text, just click the Humanize or Convert to Human Text button. Label may vary slightly depending on the region. Wait a few seconds as the tool processes your input. The rewritten text will appear below the text input. Just you can copy the humanized version or make manual edits as needed. Some versions of the tool allow you to verify that the content passes AI detection tools like GPT-0, Turnitin, and Originality AI. Just keep input size reasonable from 1000 to 1500 words at once for best results. For SEO or professional writing, always review and edit humanized text manually, and it's great for rephrasing to avoid AI detection in blogs, schoolwork, or copywriting. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.